How to fix OBS not recording in full screen mode. So first you want to go to File on OBS and then go to Settings and then go to the Video tab and make sure the base resolution and the output resolution are the same, matching, and these also should match your screen native resolution. So if your screen is 1920 by 1080, you should select it here, or any different resolution of your screen should be right here selected. Then click on Apply and OK. Now you want to go to the sources and click on the plus button. And if you want to capture a specific game window, you can either use game capture, which will basically capture game windows that are full screen. So if you try to select Roblox here, it should tell you that Roblox cannot be captured using game capture. It's probably because it's not in full screen. So you can go in game and basically turn it into full screen mode from these settings, or you can use a window capture. So you can disable these and add a window capture right here. Click on OK and then select the window to capture, which is Roblox in this case. You can set it to Windows 10 1903 and up, which works best for recording. I found the other ones to be glitchy sometimes. And then you can simply select the window that you want to capture. So for example, this could be a game or any other window. And then you can choose to capture the cursor and capture the audio or not, which will also capture the audio from that window specifically, and potentially ignoring any audio coming from your desktop, such as music and stuff like that. You can also select the client area and hit OK. Now, if you start recording, you should be able to see that the window of Steam is being recorded. And as you can see, I can extend it and minimize it, and it's updating on the OBS. And once you minimize it down to the taskbar, the screen goes black until you bring it up like this. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.